Hey guys, this is Zeb, and today, I know this is a very old trailer, but today we're going to be doing a reaction to Dragons by Blizzard Entertainment, and we're doing it with my friend Midget Tank. Say hi.
Hi.
So,
Hi.
yes, I am wearing a Domino's pizza hat, but, okay, so start in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, go.
I'm gonna go a bit ahead of you.
So,
Thanks.
by Blizzard, okay.
Oh. Weird.
Dun.
My family tells of an ancient legend about two great dragon brothers.
This sounds like Genji.
And the dragon of the
So
south.
that's Hansel.
Together,
They kind of sound the same, really, but it sounds like Hanzo. There's an alien.
Hansel.
Oh, yeah.
Where's Genji?
I don't know.
But the two brothers argued over who could better rule their land.
Two
Their
dragons.
quarrel turned to rage, and their violent struggle darkened the skies, until the dragon of the south wind struck down his brother.
This is really cool.
Shattering the land.
What is that haircut?
That haircut, though. Look at him. Oh, he's a robot. Did you hear that noise? Oh, get wrecked. This is like James Bond, but with bow and arrows.
The dragon of the south wind had triumphed, but as time passed and he realized his solitude, the sweetness of victory turned to ash.
Ooh. That moon. Oh yeah, this is on one of the maps. I forgot what the map was. Look on the top of the building.
No. I'm way ahead. I'm ahead of you, so when the battle commences.
For years, the
Swords.
dragon's grief threw the world into discord, and he knew only bitterness and sorrow.
Oh my gosh.
One day,
Lord,
a
what are
stranger
you?
Look at the dragon. The dragon's about to eat that guy.
Dragon Lord, why are you so distraught? The
Wait,
dragon told him,
Wait, pause it for a second. Are you in a different place?
It's just, wait, have you paused it?
I'm in 222 right now.
I'm in 229. I'll give.
Go back to 222. Are you on 222?
I'm at 222.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
power, make you
As
mine.
I was saying, that dragon's about to eat that guy.
I am lost. The stranger replied, you have inflicted wounds upon yourself.
This is so cool.
You must heal. Walk the earth on 2 feet as I do.
That rock.
Find value in humility. Then you will find peace.
This is not an animated short. This is like 8 minutes long.
You are not the first assassin sent to kill me. And you will not be the last.
There's Genji.
Oh, I don't see Genji yet. Oh, there he is.
You are born to come to Shibaraka,
Oh,
the den of your enemy. This was once my home. Did your masters not tell you who I want?
oh, that dodge though.
Hanzo,
Oh,
I know you come here every year on the same day.
oh, look at this. Oh, Genji is the boss.
Some of you murdered. You know nothing of what
At
happened.
this time, I just don't know about that.
Oh, that 3-way. I guess this explains kind of why Genji and Hanzo were brothers, because like because they both have a 3 sort of thing attack.
And that you
you have to kill him to maintain order. That it was your duty. It was my duty. And my burden.
Oh,
But that does not mean I
this.
do not honor him.
Oh. Whoa. Oh, look at this. Oh. This is like Halo. This is what the Halo battles when I used to play Halo 5 were like.
You think you honor your brother Genji with incense offerings? Honor resides in one's actions. You dare to lecture me about honor?
Oh.
You are not worthy to stay his state!
Oh. The dragon.
You will grill!
What do you consider it's a new game?
Oh.
Controlling now.
Look at this.
Let's make this a movie.
Oh.
Entire movie.
Go Hanzo. Oh. Of course Genji would win.
Only a Shimada can control the dragons. Who are you?
I'm Genji, mate.
Do it then. Kill me. No. I will not grant you the death you wish for. You still have a purpose in this
Look at
life,
this.
brother.
What?
No.
This is like every movie ending ever. It's like I am your father. I am your brother. Like. Dun, dun, dun.
The dragon knelt upon the ground. For the first time, he was able to clearly see the world.
That Frozen reference for the first time in forever.
The stranger revealed himself as his fallen
This
brother.
video is not sponsored by Frozen.
The two set out to rebuild what they had once destroyed.
What have you become?
This is epic.
I have accepted what I am, and I have forgiven you. Now you must forgive yourself.
This is such a cool video.
Once again, and it's time to pick a side. Real life is not like the stories our father told us. You are a
Mom.
fool for believing it so. Perhaps I am a fool to think there is still hope for you, but I do.
This is so cool.